Yeah.
That was the perfect picture.
Oh, can you go backwards? Hi.
What?
Hi.
Hi, Anna.
Yeah,
watch me. Hi, Anna.
Oh.
Mama.
I'm your mama. You're trying to climb up here. Oh. Faith, please don't do that, honey. It could hurt the camera, okay?
Anna, see?
All right. That's nice. Good job.
Make it watch.
Wait, we're trying to get Anna to walk backwards, remember?
Yeah, but he
All right, do something.
Wow.
Isn't she gotten tan today?
No.
She got some sun.
Well, that was good. That was good. Okay. All right, girls. Okay, good night.